Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix earphones not working on Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step, so let's get started. First, click on the Start button and type Settings, then press Enter. Once the Settings window opens, click on System, scroll down, and select About. Now click on Advanced System Settings, then go to the Hardware tab and click on Device Installation Settings. Here, select No and then click on Save Changes. After that, close the window. Next, click on the Start button again and type Services, then press Enter. In the Services window, find Performance Logs and Alerts and double-click on it. Now go to Startup Type and select Automatic, Delayed Start. Click on Apply and then click on OK. After that, close the Services window. Now click on the Start button once again and type Device Manager, then press Enter. Expand the Sound, Video and Game Controllers section and locate Realtek Audio. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then click on Browse My Computer for drivers, and click on Next to install the available driver. Once the process is complete, click on Close. After completing these steps, restart your computer and check your earphones again. In most cases, the audio issue will be fixed and your earphones will start working normally. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.